today?
Ayun na. Thank you so much. Thank you very much sa pagpunta mo dito sa saan ka ba ito? Cerritos. Thank you sa lahat ng mga bumiyahe, sa lahat ng mga naglaan ng time for their weekend para sa amin ni Pao. Maraming salamat po. And for all the love, for all the support, for all the time, effort, and lahat na makipag-coordinate sa Philippines, to kung sino-sino man. Basta maraming salamat. And I hope you enjoy our movie this coming March 28 dito sa US. And meron din kami US screening dahil My Love Will Make You Disappear is finally here. Dahil may special screening po kami. Yes, babalik po kami dito. Sa Cinemark Carson Theater, Carson, California, happening on March 28, 29, and 30. Tinilis tayo dito. Tinilis tayo dito. Babalik po kami, manonood po kami kasama ninyo, and we'll have a surprise BTS clips and Q&A session.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumiyahe pa sa iba't ibang lugar para makapunta dito. Thank you. Sana safe rin kayo makauwi mamaya. But again, thank you again for the support. Nakita ko may mga block screenings na sa mga first few days namin dito. So thank you. Wala talaga masabi kundi thank you. Ang pinakamalaking regalo namin na maibibigay sa lahat ng sumusuporta talaga namin ay through our work. And I'm sure my love will make you disappear. Biggest gift na pwede namin i-regalo sa inyo. So thank you.
And so
again, like what Kim said earlier, we're going to be at the Cinemark Carson Theater, Carson, California, March 28, 29, and 30. Kung gusto niyo po ng mga tickets, you can visit mytfc.com to reserve your tickets.
Alright, 28, 29, and 30. Don't forget, guys, they'll be back at mytfc.com. So, but we're also going to acknowledge Amaret Jones, Patricia Polgar, and her team marketing consultant and partners of Star Cinema. Thank you guys for being here.